What's going on, guys? Jake Tiesler with the latest Mustang and automotive news. Go to lethalperformance.com and get your 5% off with discount code capital TIESLER. Lethalperformance.com, capital TIESLER is the discount code. All right, so here we have pictures of the Toyota Supra that's been leaked. These are Japanese magazines, and these look like the car. So what do you guys think? Is this impressive to you? I personally think it looks pretty darn good. I know this isn't Mustang news, but we're going to talk about it because it's automotive stuff. Basically, there's a picture released from Toyota, and it does have this wing on the car. Let me see if I can find it for you real quick. This was basically, it's supposed to be in the Geneva Auto Show. I guess that's what that is. But there's some images that Toyota actually leaked, and I wanted to show it to you. It's got a wing on it. And that's basically what the car looks like. This is the car that you've been seeing around at the Nürburgring. The car's going to have a twin-turbo inline-six, making about, what did they say, 350 horsepower, I believe. It's either 335 or 350. And it's going to be about 3,300 pounds, so fairly lightweight. It is going to share the Z4 platform, I believe. It's going to have a BMW engine, I believe. I believe it is the inline six that they're using, all the 3 and 4, and that they use in all of the BMWs. But what do you guys think? Is this something that gets you going? I'm not sure the price point, but I just wanted to share these photos with you. Basically, this is essentially what the car is going to look like. We'll see at the Geneva Auto Show what it's actually going to look like, but this has hit the magazines, so just wanted to share it with you guys. Hopefully we actually get some. This is Motor Trend sharing this too, so that's kind of interesting. Sorry guys, I've been a bit sick. I went to a stunt driving clinic out at Willow Springs. That was interesting. So I've been doing all sorts of different things. This is the wing, and this car looks good. All right, I'll give it this. From this angle, this car looks really good. It's got good hips, double bubble roof, nice little duckbill kind of wing style here going. I'm not crazy about the huge aerodynamic wing there, but whatever. It's functional, I guess. It's not the old Supra, but you got some throwback headlights, kind of. It looks a little AE86 on the front bumper here, Scion-ish looking. Pretty aggressive front bumper. Now, are people going to put big turbos on it? Yeah. Is it going to be pretty fast? The only thing, it's automatic only. They're not going to offer a manual. That's kind of disappointing. It would be nice to offer a manual transmission for everyone that. See, look at this. This is the AE86. I mean, this is the GT86, the Scion FRS, BRZ, and the front bumper here looks a lot like that, in my opinion. I don't know. What do you guys think? All right, the new Supra. Hopefully, the Geneva Auto Show is going to have this vehicle, and we're actually going to get to see some real photos. This is actually the Toyota Supra Geneva teaser. So Toyota dropped this one on us. So this is literally what it's going to look like. And then here, I guess, are some leaked pictures, supramk5.com. These are Japanese magazines, obviously. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Would you buy one? 50 grand, I believe, is what they're supposedly going for. I'm not sure exactly. Inline 6, automatic only. It's going to be the twin turbocharged inline 6 3-liter that they use in the BMWs. It's going to share the Z4 platform, and it's going to look something definitely like this, possibly something like these other images that I guess they're CG. I don't think these are actual images because this is a race car, unless this is at the Geneva show and they photographed it, already got it on the magazine, and they're waiting to drop these magazines as soon as the car show hits. Like they've already photographed them. Magazines are hot, ready to go. as soon as they can release the photos, then they're going to pump this out. But leaked photos. What do you guys think? Would you have this, or what would you have that? Okay, here it is. Toyota Supra statistics. 1496 kilograms. 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds. Okay, that's pretty fast. 335 brake horsepower. That seems to be, I guess it has a really good launch control, because 335 horsepower and 3,300 pounds ish. Doesn't seem like it give you a 3.8, but I guess it shifts great and it can get off the line perfectly. Yeah, pretty cool. PDK equipped. The Supra is in the league of the PDK equipped. It's 14 kilograms lighter and 85 horsepower less, which is very interesting. We'll see soon enough. All right, guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Peace.